So what's going on, YouTube? This is supposed to go with my other Pro Tank coil tying, but I didn't have my other mod. It was all the way downstairs, but I put it in my Tetro tank. I got it juiced up. I'm running it at 5.2 volts. It is a 2.8 ohm micro coil. We'll take a couple toots off this. Forming pretty well. Figuring that this coil just cost me probably about, I don't know, about 10 cents to make. So there you go, YouTube. That saves you guys a lot of money, and there you go. Have a great day, YouTube.